farm birds, goose, duck, turkey, chicken, quail, and their cubs. Goose. Common name is goose. Gander. Male name is gander. Goose. Female name is goose. Gosling. Baby name is gosling. Duck. Common name is duck. Drake. Male name is drake. Duck. Female name is duck. Duckling. Baby name is duckling.
Turkey. Common name is turkey. Jake. Male name is Jake. Hen. Female name is hen. Poult. Baby name is poult.
Chicken. Common name is chicken. Rooster. Male name is rooster. Hen. Female name is hen. Chick. Baby name is chick.
Quail. Common name is quail. Cock. Male name is cock. Hen. Female name is hen. Cheaper. Baby name is cheaper.
I'm a good English teacher. Subscribe to my trainings.